In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert audio in PowerPoint 2013. By the end, you'll know how to add a music track or a voice recording to a slide, preview it, control how it starts, and keep your presentation tidy and professional. Start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 and opening the presentation you're working on. Once it's open, click the slide where you want your audio to live. Choosing the slide first ensures the sound clip ends up exactly where you expect it. Next, head to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. On the right side, you'll find the Media group. Click the Audio button and you'll see two choices: Audio on my PC, which lets you insert an existing audio file, and Record Audio, which lets you capture your own voice directly into the slide. If you already have a file ready, choose Audio on my PC. Browse to the folder where your sound is stored, select the file, and click Insert. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. That icon represents the audio and gives you quick access to playback controls and settings. If you prefer to record your own narration, choose Record Audio. Give your recording a clear name so it's easy to identify later. Click the red record button, speak into your microphone at a steady volume, then click Stop when you're done. Click OK to add it to the slide. A speaker icon will appear just like with a file you inserted. To test it, click the play button on the speaker icon to preview the sound. This quick check helps you confirm you've got the right clip and that the audio level feels comfortable. For finer control, select the speaker icon and switch to the playback tab on the ribbon. Here you can choose how the audio starts: automatically, which begins playing as soon as the slide appears, or on click, which waits for your click. Adjust volume to set the overall loudness. Use trim audio if you want to cut silence at the beginning or end of the clip. And if you want a clean look during your presentation, enable hide during show so the icon won't appear when presenting while the audio still plays. You can also keep things tidy by dragging the speaker icon to a discrete corner of the slide. If needed, resize it using the handles so it doesn't distract from your content. Finally, press Ctrl+S to save your work and lock in your audio settings. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.